Alright guys, had the first hard landing with the DC3. Just looks like the back part of this here ended up going through the top of the wing here. Hey guys, how's it going? So after the first crash, watched it back on slow-mo. Looks like it hit pretty hard on this side over here, and just collapsed the landing gear, and the props were both spinning when it hit, and hit the ground and turned. I'll play the slow-mo for you guys. So I'm gonna have to take off this cowling and the prop, and I'll have to cut out this part of the wing and inspect where the landing gear broke it. Because basically, so this part here, where it braces in the back part of the wing, it just went all the way through the wing and just came all the way back. The onboard camera I had on was on the opposite wing, so we didn't get a good shot of it when it hit, but this shouldn't move back like that. It should be secured. So, and it looks like he even disconnected one of the servo wires, because when it had come through the wing here, actually one of the wires was pulled out too, so I'll have to check that out and see what's going on there. But
so after cutting the wing open and getting a little closer look at the damage, looks like I just didn't use quite strong enough material on that back part of the landing gear. So I just used a little more balsa wood to secure that piece, and then I also used a piece of plywood there, that thin piece you can see there next to that collar that I'm installing there. That'll make it a lot stronger, and then glue all that in place. And then I'm just cutting a new piece of covering there to cover it all back up. The other side didn't break, but I wanted to open it up just to make it a little bit stronger also, just because I'd rather cut the top of the wing open now and make it a little stronger rather than, you know, risking having another landing gear failure and maybe have a worse crash and break the wing or something like that. So I went ahead and cut the other wing open there and replaced. So you can see there, that's where the servo's in, so there's a little bit more secure bracing in that side anyways, but just wanted to make sure it was okay before I went out and flew it again. So thanks for watching the video again, guys.